Welcome. The following video will cover the migration of the inventory data of template number 3 into the one-click LCA software. In this video, we will manually look for and select our materials, but it should be stated that the software has an import function which can save plenty of time for advanced users. What we see here are most of the construction elements for the gravity wall alternative. We'll continue with the input of data with the structural concrete elements. For this, we'll type ready-mix concrete in the search box and select the C30 to C35 category, meant for external walls. Within this category, several options of different strengths, recycled material content, fly ash content, and many other characteristics are available. As we do not have a specific manufacturer in mind, we'll select the average generic data that fits our requirements. Selecting different materials with the same technical specifications, but different compositions could be of interest depending on the designers and stakeholder preferences. Once selected, we proceed to input our required amount, verify our units, comment on the use of the material, classify it, modify our distance and transport characteristics, modify our localization, for this example, Europe, modify any wastage requirements, and end-of-life processing. Following this, on the Construction Site Operations tab, we proceed to introduce the use of machinery for excavation and backfilling, in this case, as diesel consumptions. On the Calculation Period tab, we input 100 years as our life expectancy. Finally, on the Building Area Definition, as our inventory is defined based on one functional unit, we input 1 square meter. The same process is repeated for each scenario. In the case of the geosynthetic reinforcer walls, we must take special care in the selection of the reinforcement elements, as many options are available. For the geogrid scenarios, we've selected some formwork to sustain the flexible facing, the geogrid, the concrete elements, and the grade for the drains. As the backfill material is obtained from the construction site, we don't include it in the material list. On the Construction Site Operations tab, we include the energy required for the extension and compaction of the backfill material, as well as the transportation of the on-site material. The following video will cover the analysis of the results of template number 3.